This video is based on author's imagination. This video is just for entertainment purpose. It doesn't mean to hurt anyone's feeling. All the characters used in this story are completely fictional. It doesn't relate with Ida's personal life. So don't take it seriously. Now sit back and enjoy the video series. Well, it's our King Jamruk's FF. Remember, all the characters, incidents used in this are completely fictional. So don't take it to your kidneys and heart. And have a good
Priyank, hey baby, I missed you so much. Your big lips and your fingers curled into fist. Baby, you just tightened as you watched him lean against his desk. His mic squeak, playing on his lips while he spoke on the phone. Priyank, Of course, I'll pick you up tonight. Anything for you, now? Your throat felt dry, and no matter how much you tried to control your emotions, you felt your eyes stinging. He was doing this on purpose. He wanted to hurt you to make you sure you felt the same pain he did. Priyank, you're so cute, baby. I can't wait to see you. Your heart shattered into million pieces, but you kept your face emotionless. Priyank, jealous. Why am you? Why would I be, Mr. King? You can do whatever you want. It's none of my business. Priyank, good, because you mean nothing to me anymore. That was it, the final step. You nodded, keeping your expression neutral, even though your heart was screaming in agony. You understood, sir. I will get back to work now. Without waiting for his response, you turned on your heel and walked out of his office. Your vision blurred as tears threatened to spill. You bit your lip hard, holding it all. You had no right to cry, not after what you did to me. If this was his way of getting revenge, then you had no choice but to endure it. Your POV. I don't know, he loves someone else. Did he move on that much easily? It's not his fault because I hurted him and I wanted to say that my father is behind this, but what is the use of it? When he loves someone else, he deserves happiness, not the one who left him because of fear. I lost him permanently. End of your POV. After work, you went out of office. You went home. You saw your stepsister Jivan, which made you sigh. Jivan exclaimed, Sissy? You, not now. I am not in the mood for it. Jivan, I know that thing is your CEO, your ex-boyfriend, whom you left. That man becomes so popular. He must be lucky. You, Jivan, I don't have time for your nonsense. Just leave me alone. Jivan, oh, come on, Umi. Don't be so boring. I'm just curious, how does it feel working under the man you broke? Seeing him every day, knowing he discusses you. I know about everything, dear sister. Your hands clenched at your throat. Words, but you refuse to yet. Jivan loved getting a rise off you. You, I really don't care what you think. Your breath caught in your throat, but he kept your face blank. You, good for him. Jivan, wow. You're really good at pretending, but I know. Ryan, it must burn, doesn't it? Seeing him move on easily while you're stuck in the past. You, stay out of my business. Jivan, you should have told him the truth when you had the chance, but I guess it's too late now. He's moved on, and you're just a shadow in his past. You didn't stop, didn't look back, but our words followed you like a ghost, haunting you, reminding you of the mistake you could never take back. You went to your room, threw yourself on bed while crying. You took your phone and you saw your son's photo in university days. You, I miss you a lot. What should I do without you? I feel lifeless without you. No smile, no love, just empty like a living corpse. Is our stories and how badly I want to fall myself in your arms and cry. Listen to your words telling me that nothing is going to happen. You will take care of everything, but I can't change anything now. You curled into yourself, gripping the pillow as if it could hold you together, but nothing could. Not even when your heart felt like it had been ripping apart, left to bleed in a place no one could see. You, Sam, do you know how much I miss you? How much I need you? My heart craved for you. When I saw you, I was happy, but was no longer the boy who fell in love with me. You became something cruel and cold. Your voice wavered, choked with anxiety. It hurt to say his name. It felt like a prayer, like something sacred. You weren't allowed to whisper anymore. He was once yours. He was once the man who held you close, kissed your forehead and promised you forever. but now he was someone else, someone who looked at you like you were nothing. I'm tired, so tired. Every day feels like I'm walking through a storm with no way out. Do you feel the same? Do you? Or is it just me? Your fingers stuck into your chest, right over your heart as if trying to claw out the pain. It was suffocating, it was unbearable. The way his voice dripped with venom, the way he smiled while speaking to another woman. Did he even hesitate? Did he even think about you at all?
हैरान हूँ कि कुछ भी न मांगू कभी मैं, जो तुम मेरे हो। ऐसा हो क्यों कि लगता है हासिल सभी है, जो तुम मेरे हो। जो तुम मेरे हो तो मैं कुछ नहीं मांगू दुनिया से, और तुम हो ही नहीं तो मैं जीना नहीं चाहूँ दुनिया में। और नजरों में मेरे एक जहाँ है जहाँ तू और मैं अब साथ हैं, और वहाँ कोई नहीं तू और मैं ही हैं। और आओगे ऐसे आओगे, तेरी मेरी क्या राहें उजड़ी हैं, और राहों में ही जो तुम आए कभी, हम तो प्यार से ही मर जाएंगे। और आओगे ऐसे आओगे, तेरी मेरी क्या राहें उजड़ी हैं, और राहों में ही जो तुम आए नहीं, हम तो फिर भी तुम्हें ही चाहेंगे। जो तुम मेरे हो तो मैं कुछ नहीं मांगू दुनिया से। पूछे तू कि तुझमें मैं क्या देखता हूँ, जब चारों तरफ आज कितने ही सारे हैं। जाने ना तू खुद को यूं ना जाने क्यों नजरों से मेरी यहाँ, देखो ना खुद को जरा, देखो ना जुल्फों से, कैसे जुल्फों से तेरी छुपती प्यारी प्यारी सी मुस्कान है। और नजरें झुकी और नजरें उठी तो मैं क्या ही और दिल का तेरे और दिल का तेरे, अब मैं क्या ही कहूँ क्या बात है। और हाँ देखो यहाँ कैसे आई दो दिलों की बारात है, पर क्या खुला आसमां या फिर लाई यहाँ जोरों से बरसात है। चाहे वो छाए भी बादल तो, चाहे फिर भी तुम्हें क्या पता, तुमको मांगो ना कुछ और जो तुम मेरे हो। कुछ ऐसी लगन इस लम्हे में है, ये लम्हा कहाँ का मेरा। मेरे सामने इसे छू लो जरा, मर जाओ या जी लो जरा।
इतना बता दूं तुझको, चाहत पे अपनी मुझको यूं तो नहीं दिया। फिर भी ये सोचा दिल ने, अब जो लगा हूँ ले, पूछूं तुझे एक बार, तू ये मुझको बता दे, चाहूँ अपने तुझे का बता दे, चाहूँ तेरी मुस्कुराहट ताकत मेरी।
बदले हैं मेरे तेवर क्यों आजकल। आंखें मेरी हर जगह ढूंढे तुझे बेवजह। ये मैं हूँ या कोई और है मेरी तरह। कैसे हुआ, कैसे हुआ, इतना जरूरी कैसे हुआ, कैसे हुआ, कैसे हुआ, इतना जरूरी कैसे हुआ। मैं बारिश की बोली समझता नहीं था, हवाओं से मैं यूं उलझता नहीं था। है सीने में दिल भी कहाँ थी मुझे ये खबर। कहीं पे हो रातें, कहीं पे सवेरे, आवाज़ी रही साथ मेरे। ठहर जा, ठहर जा, ये कहती है तेरी नजर। क्या हाल हो गया है ये मेरा, आँखें मेरी हर जगह ढूंढे तुझे बेवजह। ये मैं हूँ या कोई और है मेरी तरह। कैसे हुआ, कैसे हुआ, इतना जरूरी कैसे हुआ, कैसे हुआ, कैसे हुआ, इतना जरूरी कैसे हुआ।
मेरे रिश्ते का मैं तूने पहली नजर जब नजर से